Imagine waking up to find new crypto tokens sitting in your wallet, and the best part? You didn't pay a single cent for them. That's the magic of a crypto airdrop. In this video, I'm going to break down what exactly a crypto airdrop is and how you can secure some free tokens in 2024. Welcome back to 1 in a Million, where we make crypto simple and easy to understand for everyone. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting things in the crypto world, airdrops. Have you ever heard of free crypto just landing in your wallet? Yep, that's what an airdrop is all about, and I'm going to show you how to get yours in 2024. But before we dive into it, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of the latest crypto strategies and updates. Let's get started. What is a crypto airdrop? Let's start with the basics. A crypto airdrop is essentially a free distribution of cryptocurrency tokens directly to users' wallets. This happens for a few reasons. 1. To promote new projects or tokens. 2. To reward early adopters or loyal users. 3. To boost engagement within the crypto community. Think of it as a giveaway in the crypto world. These tokens can be used on their platform, traded, or even held as an investment. And the best part? You don't have to buy them. But there are some steps you need to follow to qualify for these airdrops. How to get crypto airdrops in 2024. Now let's talk about how you can actually get these airdrops. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Have a compatible wallet. First, you need a compatible wallet. Most airdrops require wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet that support Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or other blockchains. Make sure your wallet is set up properly and ready to receive tokens. 2. Hold the right coins. Some airdrops require you to hold specific cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, or even a project's native token. Holding these in your wallet can qualify you for airdrops related to that blockchain or project. 3. Engage with the project. Many airdrops require you to complete simple tasks like following their Twitter, joining their Telegram group, or retweeting a post. These tasks help promote the project and get you on the eligibility list. 4. Stay informed. Use platforms like CoinMarketCap's Airdrop Tracker, Airdrop Alert, and Twitter accounts like @AirdropOfficial to stay on top of upcoming airdrops. Being early is key to securing these free tokens. Follow these simple steps, and you'll be in a great position to get some free crypto in 2024. Before we move on, if you're learning something new today, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto education like this. Comment below if you've ever received a crypto airdrop and tell us which one. I'd love to hear about your experience. Final tips and wrap up. As we wrap up, here are a few final tips. 1. Avoid scams. Always be cautious of fake airdrop links or anyone asking for your private keys. If it sounds too good to be true, it usually is. Number 2. Participate actively. The more active you are in the crypto space, following projects, joining communities, the more likely you are to be eligible for airdrops. 3. Research projects. Only engage with projects that seem legitimate and have a strong community presence. This way, even if you don't get an airdrop, you're still involved with a promising project. That's it for today, crypto fam. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on these opportunities. Stay tuned for more videos on how to navigate the exciting world of cryptocurrency. And until next time, stay smart and happy hodling. Catch you in the next video.